Hi guys, welcome to this new episode. In today's video, I'm making a short one, and I'm making a short video where I'll show you some street food in Cote d'Ivoire. Mostly, I'm non-vegetarian, so I've decided to buy some pork, right? So I'll just show you a little bit. It will be a very quick video, but I'll show you what we guys eat for kind of street food. So guys, without further ado, let's go to the video. Alright, so guys, this is pork. He has been kind of fried, I don't know, boiled, fried. So yeah, this one is 1,000 of our currency. Okay, 1,000. This piece is one piece. Over there it's 800. There it is 500, and the other one over there is 1,500. So it's pretty good, you know. You choose the one you want. You give to the lady. She'll be, you know, cooking. You know, over there, look at what she's doing. She'll be cooking the way you want, you know. Then we eat it with Attiéké. For those who don't know Attiéké, you can check one of my video where I was talking about Attiéké. It is that one over there. Okay. Yeah, that one is Attiéké. So yeah, this is what we have. You know, many people come and have food here. It's pretty delicious. You know. All right, so guys, my food came. About to start, guys. It's pretty hot currently, you know. I mean, I'm talking about this one. Wow, spicy, but really nice. You guys come and do like me. Merci beaucoup. So guys, we're done with today's video. I don't know how I can explain you. Taste is wonderful. It was a little bit spicy. Anyway, I asked for that. If you don't need anything spicy, you can let them know. They'll do accordingly. So it was really nice. I enjoyed eating the food. And yeah, it's over. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. It was a quick video to show you a little bit of street food. So hope to see you in another video. Please do not forget to like, to share with your friends, to subscribe to the channel as well. And hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.